Welcome to Spanish Class 101. Today we're gonna learn about farm animals. In a moment, different animals will appear on your screen. You will hear their name and see how we write them. Are you ready? Tauro, tauro. Vaca, vaca. Ganso, ganso. Cerdo, cerdo. Gallo, gallo. Ternera, ternera. Culo, culo. Galina, galina. Now it's your turn. The same animals will appear in a random order. Try to say their name. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to watch this video one more time. If you want to learn more about Spanish or learn more about other languages, subscribe to this channel.